Let's talk about a 3 Doodler Start pen. It is a 3D pen and it's super cool. It says ages 6 to 13 on the box because it is a safe toy and safe pen to use. No risk of burns. And I'll explain how they do that. Let's open up the box right now. Right away, I can see the mat that they provide. A nice booklet to be able to have some ideas on different types of designs you can do. Really nice if you don't know where to start. And the actual pen itself. And this is what it looks like. With the on-off button right there. I turn it on, the little red light is on, and the pen is active. So what is a 3D pen? Let me show you exactly what it is. It comes with these colorful plastic tubes, and this is what will get melted by the pen to be able to write or draw and do it in 3D space. So I've got a blue plastic tube right in here. The light is green so I can actually start, and I just press the button once and it's coming out just now. And I'm just tracing whatever I want, and as soon as I'm done, all I need to do is press the button once again and it closes the loop. Now I'm no artist, but if I continue this, I can go on and trace and create it in 3D space. So I could build a house, a monument, a really nice heart, if that passes for a heart. So all I would have to do is trace it all over, and it's slowly taking shape and growing upwards. And you can see it right here. I just built a wall. And once you're done, just take off your masterpiece off of the mat and you can actually feel it, touch it, and play with it. Now this is not much to look at, but if I spend some more time, built it up and made it really 3D, I could create anything. And when I said it was safe for any type of kid to use, it's because even when the pen is on and actually melting the plastic, it is not hot to the touch. So I could actually turn it on and touch the end and it's not going to burn me, which is fantastic. A great gift for that kid that loves to doodle but might want to expand their vision.